It was great to see old friends and meet everybody in the threat modeling community at our very first ThreatModCon event in Washington, D.C. last year. And it was, the overwhelming talks that were there were all about why of threat modeling and why you should do it, what the benefits are and how to do it. And we saw a lot of that, in the talks at ThreatModCon.
This year, we're going with advancing threat modeling capabilities together as our team. It's all about working together, pooling our know-how, and coming up with threat modeling innovations.
And the reason I'm excited about ThreatModCon is for the first time in Europe, we're bringing people together to talk about those experiences, to share their successes, maybe to share some failure stories, and to learn from one another.
ThreatModCon in Lisbon is way more than your typical conference. Expect to dive into expert talks, get hands-on in workshops, and discuss what matters most to you in our Birds of a Feather sessions. Don't miss out on our networking events, like a sunset cruise in Lisbon.
Over the last 10 years or so, we've been developing ways to empower regular engineers to engage in threat modeling. I'm proud of some of the work, some of my contributions, like the Threat Modeling Designing for Security book. But the real change happens when individuals within their organization say, let's give this a try. Let's do better at security than we did yesterday. And so, I'm looking forward to seeing you there.